Hey Xiao Hong, what are you up to?
I'm working on a floor plan.
You'll be drawing forever at this pace. Don't keep your clients waiting. Let me show you a faster way. When you meet with clients for the first time, impress them by generating a layout with AI in just 1 second. Import the floor plan, then you can create multiple layouts in seconds.
Wow, does it work with any floor plan?
Absolutely. Check this out. The generated layouts are fully customizable. You can furnish the rooms in your chosen style and instantly convert the layout into a 3D house. This AI is precise and controllable, and custom cabinets can be modified and linked directly to manufacturing.
What software is this? Is it easy to learn?
AiHouse online design software. You can master the software within 3 days. Furniture customization, AI room design, lighting presets, real-time rendering, and animation creation are all included. Leave a comment to get your free trial now.